There are several types of plotting techniques that can be used to visualize data. The choice of plot depends on the kind of data you are dealing with. Sometimes more than one plot is used to develop a better understanding of the data. When there is a new data feed or you have not worked with such data before, you can use more than one plot. Following are a few high-level plot selection techniques. If the data is continuous, histogram, line chart, regression plot. If the data is categorical in nature or you need to identify patterns in the data, scatter plot, cluster map, heat map. An important point to note is that the data analytics process is an iterative one. This means that during every step of the process, you have to check the original question or intent to ensure that the analysis is on the right track. At the end of the process, you should be able to answer the question or solve the problem through data analysis by retracting the steps scientifically. Here are the skills and tools required for each step of the data analytics process. Question or business problem. Ability to ask relevant questions and understand the problem. Domain knowledge or substantive expertise. Passionate about data. Analytical approach. Data acquisition. Beautiful soup for web scraping. CSV or other file knowledge. NumPy. Pandas. Database. Data wrangling. CSV or other file knowledge. NumPy. Pandas. Database. Scipy. Data exploration. NumPy. Scipy. Pandas. Matplotlib. Conclusions or predictions. scikit-learn, the main machine learning library. CSV or other file knowledge. NumPy. Pandas. Database. Scipy. Communication or data visualization. Pandas. Database. Matplotlib. PPT. CSV or other file knowledge. Let's now look at some of the challenges of the data analytics process.